Hi, thanks for joining us today. This is Collector's Den in Lansdowne Mall in Richmond, BC, Canada. Today we're going to have a look at 2011-12 Upper Deck SP Authentic Hockey. Pretty much always the same SPA. I mean, it's broke, so sorry, it's not broken, so why fix it? There's a base card of Carey Price. There's Crosby, Taylor Hall, Claude Giroux, Dustin Brown. Also in the base series they include some older guys, so there's Bobby Orr, older retired guys. Great one. Trevor Linden. The rookie cards are called Future Watch. There's an unautographed one. That one is Brian Foster, numbered out of 999. You can see that. Marc-Andre Bourdon, again a Future Watch, not autographed. David McIntyre, Brandon Smith. Some autographed ones. There's Marcus Kruger. Having trouble with the light today. Brian Strait, Louis LeBlanc, Cameron Gaunch. Canucks drafted his brother this past year. Matt Reed. SP Essentials are an insert, part of the base set. Usually your star players. There was Crosby, there's Price, Kopitar, Ovechkin. Holofoils, there's Landeskog, Jonathan Bloom, Tim Erickson, Craig Smith, Sean Couturier. You can also get a die-cut version. Erica Goodbranson. I think these are like one a case, so they're very hard to get. Now they have a rookie insert, which is not unusual, but what is unusual is exactly the same design as the base card. So here's Ryan Ellis. It almost looks like he's part of the base set, but the number is an R52, so that's the rookie subset. These you get one every 2 packs, so you get 12 in a box, but there's 100 in the set. So you get pretty well one of everybody and a little bit more in a whole case. So they're hard to get. So the good guys will be fairly pricey. Possibly the Canucks backup goaltender next year, Eddie Lack, Ryan Johansson, Mark Scheifele, Zach Kassian, pictured in a Canuck uniform, Sean Couturier, and this is the parallel of those rookies, and they're numbered out of 10, so very hard to get. Sorry. Very hard to get, and a Nugent Hopkins numbered out of 10 is going to be worth a lot of money. These are the Sign of Times. There's Matt Stajan, Josh Bailey, John Moore, Luca Caputi, Cal O'Reilly. Marks of Distinction, these are fairly hard to get. There's Mark Messier, numbered out of 25. Those are nice cards. And then the Future Watch autograph patch, Brandon Said from Chicago. These are numbered out of 100. These are usually 1 or 2 per case. We'll also be doing an in-store box break tonight with, we're probably going to have somewhere between 10 and 20, maybe even more people. We're going to do this on a regular basis in-store, so if you're interested in getting involved in group breaks, let us know, send us an email, give us a phone call or whatever. Thanks for joining us today. See you again.